we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this type of injury. We'll be looking at how to say more names from anatomy and medical terms, symptoms and causes. How do you say the name of this overuse injury of the Achilles? Let's break it down how to pronounce this name. Achilles. Achilles, with a stress on that second syllable here. Achilles tendon, okay. Now the name of the injury itself is tendonitis. That's British English. Tendonitis. In American English it's rather said as tendonitis, okay. So let's summarize. Achilles tendonitis, British English, or Achilles tendonitis in American English. Achilles tendonitis. Now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.